Want to remove a video background using the green screen effect in CapCut, but don't know how? I'll show you how to use CapCut's green screen tool. So let's begin. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your CapCut application on your mobile device, log into your specific account, open an existing project, or create a new one. Add the video you want as your background to the main timeline, then add the clip with the green screen background as an overlay. Select the video that you want to add, and there you'll see the option of overlay, that is between replays and adjust. Go ahead and tap on that. Scroll through the bottom menu and select remove background, which is between video quality and AI remove. Then tap on auto remover. Go ahead and play the video, or you can also use the option of Chroma Key by going to remove BG, then select Chroma Key, then tap on color picker to select the green background color you want to eliminate, and tap on the check mark to confirm. Now play your project to see the green screen background removed from your overlay. Continue editing and tap on export when you're done. So that's how you use the green screen tool in CapCut. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.